In front of me is iPhone 13, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your contact list. So just open it and then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case, it's Timothy, and then click on edit. Then select add photo, and here you can either choose some emoji. Then you can also pick some classic emoji. You can also add it by yourself, so just pick it from the list, add it, and it can be a profile picture. Then you can change the background. And let me go back. You can also grab a picture right now by tapping on camera, or add some letter right here. Then you can also change the style. But if you'd like to pick something from your own gallery, just tap on gallery icon and now choose the picture that you would like to add. Now customize it as only you want it to look. Tap on choose then and click on. Also you can add some filter and then click on done. Click the on done again to save it. And that's it. From now on, every time Timothy will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.